Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. It's Friday, June 10th, and I am off for the day. I actually have a long weekend because today is my birthday. And so I'm gonna take you along for a weekend vlog. Let's see what we can accomplish in this long weekend. The weather's beautiful today. Bob's off for the day with me as well, and we're going to get joint pedicures together, and then he's taking me out to lunch. We're gonna go downtown and we're going to eat outside at this really nice Mexican place that we like to go to. So I will take you with me, come along with me on my weekend birthday vlog. It's Saturday morning, June 11th. Joey and I are waiting for Bob to come out of the restaurant with our breakfast. And we are waiting to hear from Julie and Alec. And she has been in labor now since, I would say, since Thursday, early morning. And we all thought yesterday she might go, but she was home. And the last time I talked to her was like 8 o'clock last night. So I'm kind of like trying to keep cool, trying to, you know, just wait. And I haven't heard anything. So we're just out and about so I can, you know, kind of take my mind off it. I got some sleep last night, but I finally had to force myself to go to bed. But yeah, so we shall see what the rest of the weekend brings. Here comes our breakfast, Joe. You gonna have your breakfast? Well, we just got home from having breakfast. I did hear from Julie. No news yet, but she's been at home. She's having a slow, long labor. She's still every 15 minutes. It's not close enough yet. So she called the doctor. They said no, it's normal for a first baby. So she's getting exhausted, but yeah. But everybody's still doing fine. It's just the journey of the labor. So yeah. So I think we're gonna go and maybe look at some yard sales or something to try to just keep active and keep my mind on something. So I'll just keep you posted, and we will continue on with the weekend. We were going to go look at some yard sales, but my sister-in-law Diane came over and she gave me the sweetest birthday gift. It is perfect for me, and I'll just share with you what she got me. She is like me, and she likes to look at country sampler magazines. And I don't know if you've ever noticed in the country sampler magazine, but you can get past issues. And she ordered me some past issues that are all summer issues. Like, you know, Tour 5 Summery Homes, Simple Ways to Add Sunny Style, Summer Decorating, Decorate with Spirits, Sunny Summer Homes, All-Star Style Homes with Summer Spirit. And this is Country Sampler's Summer Decorating. So this is right up my alley. This is a perfect birthday gift for me. So I was so thrilled with this gift, and I can't wait to dive into these magazines. So it's just like such a sweet gift. I would have never thought of that. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to make my lavender lemonade. I originally got this recipe from Chrissy at First Day of Home, and she has a YouTube channel and she has a blog. And if you like DIYs, you have to check out her YouTube channel because her DIYs are amazing, and she is a true artist. And you will really enjoy some of the things that she does on her channel. And I have a few projects that I want to do that she taught on her channel. One is a decoupage. I have a little bench that I want to add hydrangeas to, and I want to paint the bench white, and she uses napkins, and it's just really cool and it looks really easy. But anyway, go and check out First Day of Home, and I will link her YouTube channel below and her blog. But a couple years ago, or a year ago, I can't remember now, but I had some lavender in my herb garden. This year I'm using the lavender simple syrup that I made the other couple weeks ago when I did my lavender latte. And I still have the lavender simple syrup, and I was trying to think of a way to use it, and it is still, oh my God, it smells incredible. So this is just the simple syrup that I made with 2 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, and steeped lavender, dried lavender in it. So the recipe calls for 2 cups of this lavender syrup, lavender simple syrup, and 3/4 of a cup of fresh squeezed lemons and 4 cups of water. So I am just going to get to squeezing my lemons and getting my 3/4 of a cup. I'll just stir everything together and give it a taste. Now, Chrissy adds fresh mint to her lavender lemonade. I do have some fresh mint outside, but the mint gives it a little bit of a strong taste. I like a sweet taste, so I really don't add the mint, but if you like fresh mint, it would be a perfect addition to this lavender lemonade. So I'm just gonna get started making it right now. I have my little cutting board, and I'm just going to slice the lemons so I can juice them. guys, I'm gonna give this a nice taste. It's gonna be cool and refreshing with the ice in there and my lemon slices. OMG. This is so delicious. Just the right sweetness. You get that lemon flavor, but then you get the lavender, which this lavender simple syrup is just amazing. And I wish that I could describe this to you, because it is just the perfect thirst quenching, delicious, cool drink for summertime. This is going to be my go-to, and I am definitely going to be whipping up some more simple syrup, lavender simple syrup, and I got the recipe for that in this Cozy White Cottage Seasons book by Liz Marie Galvin. But this is a book that has all kinds of things seasonally. She also has one for decor that I'm also reading. But the lavender simple syrup, which I have the recipe over on my blog, and I will link that recipe page below this video. But that recipe for the lavender simple syrup is just perfect. And I used that in my lavender latte, which I will link the video up here if you want to go and check out the lavender latte, which is another delicious drink. But anyway, this, and Chrissy calls this the best ever lavender lemonade. I have to agree 100% that this is the best. It's the best lemonade, never mind lavender lemonade. It's the best lemonade that I have ever had. So good. Anyway, guys, I hope you will give this a try. The recipe will be linked below. Actually, I have it over on the blog, so I'm going to link that blog page below as well for you to get the recipe. But you definitely need to give this a try. So I'm going to go and chill out. It's about 3:30. Bob left to go check the school. Julie is going to call me, and if she's on her way to the hospital, she said that if it's not the middle of the night, I can go and just be with them for a while she does her thing. So I will definitely keep you posted. I am praying and hoping that she has the baby before the end of this vlog, but you know, it's all in due time. When the baby is ready, the baby will come join us. It's an exciting time. It's a very blessed time. So, you know, I'm praying for everything to just be, for her to be safe, healthy, for the baby to be healthy. So, yeah, so I'm happy that you're here coming along with me. And yeah, so I'm gonna go chill. I am watching Sweet Magnolias on Netflix. Have you watched this? This is a good one. So I finished season 1. I'm just starting season 2, and last night I didn't sleep till like midnight. I didn't go to bed until about after 11, and I was watching, like, I finished several episodes and finished up season 1. So that kept my mind occupied, but it really is good. It's a really good series. It's a really good show. There's only 2 seasons. I don't know if, you know, there'll be a third, but anyway, if you haven't, if you're looking for something to watch, that's a good one. So anyway, I will check in a little while before the weekend's over, definitely. Just let you know what else is going on this weekend. So thanks for joining me on this vlog. All right, guys, well, it is Sunday morning. It is about 11:15, and I am going to head to the hospital. Julie has been there since about 1:15 this morning, and she texted me at 7, and so it could be hours, I don't know, but I'm gonna head there and hang out and wait for our baby.